Page 26. Amit is an agricultural officer. He comes to a village where he finds that most of the people have left farming and have involved themselves in other activities because of the poor quality of soil and to earn daily wages. So Amit discusses with the people of the village about various methods of preventing soil erosion and also improving the quality of soil and also the ideas of growing variety of crops. The people of the village followed these ideas and started growing variety of crops. These ideas brought prosperity to the village. Also, the people from nearby villages started following these ideas. Thank you.
In the picture perceived, I see two characters. One is a male of 35 years and one is a female of 33 years old. Arjun is the hero of my story, and he is a newly appointed village developmental officer. When he goes to the village to make his survey, he finds a woman mending shoes and asks her why is she doing so. When he finds out that the agriculture yields are poor and the female in the village do a lot of other jobs to boost their income and send their children to the school which is situated on the nearby village. Thus he gets to know that the village does not have proper schooling facility and talks it and makes his way to his officials and talks it to them and asks them for a school to be built in his village, and finally he is successful in giving a school to the children of that village.
Friends, in my story, the main character is Pramod of an age of 25 years. He notices that in his village, people have a good livelihood when there is only rain. That is only one part of the year. And the remaining part of the year, he finds that they are not able to have comfortable livelihood. So he thinks of starting some manufacturing company so that he can provide employment to them for the remaining period of the year so that they can continue their livelihood. So he gathers some of his friends who had education in different fields like management and some other things. So he gathered them and gave an idea of manufacturing of shoes, which has got so much of priority these days. So it took him so many years, few years to develop that thing, and after once he developed that thing, he was able to provide employment to whole of his village in the manufacturing process. That is for a period of time in the year. So and the remaining part of the year, they can concentrate on the agriculture and have good livelihood. So he was succeeded in putting the company and provided the farmers with good employment, and they are all happy. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture, I perceive two characters. The hero of my story is Pradeep. Pradeep is a student of Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Surgery. He studies in National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur. He was on holiday and going to village. There he saw a farmer farming his land on naked food. He was pinned a piece of glass and was bleeding. So as he was a medical student, he had first aid and rushed towards him and gave him first aid and gave him a shoes and told him not to work on naked food and take rest. Thank you.
In the picture which I saw two characters. My main character is Raghav, who is an MBA student. He was on a morning jog. So while he was jogging, his shoe tore. So he went to a cobbler who was there in the park. Then he gave to him. This cobbler repaired it and he saw how skillfully he repaired the shoe. And while going back, he thought like the cobbler has to earn a lot to support his family and he can't grow further in his life. So he thought of starting a startup and like these people many people were employed there, and also the business was flourished and it became famous. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I perceive two main characters. The main character of my story is Akash, a graduate student and also he is an environmentalist. In the picture, it shows that he and his friends are collecting the litter waste in the village. My story starts like this: while Akash and his friend was walking through a village, they came across a place where full of waste was littered. Then one day, they planned to clean it up. For that, the main thing they needed was an organization. They, with the help of the Panchayat president, built up an organization in the village for cleaning up these waste. And with them, they cleaned up the waste over there. Then he, in a meeting, tells to the villagers that only one attempt can make the nature biodiversity very good. And hence, he tells that every month we need to make such a meeting and clean up the village. And seeing this thing he is done, the other villagers share this thought of organization and it spread all over the district. And later they was able to build up the biodiversity and hence the ecosystem of the village. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture there are two characters, a female of age group around 30 and a male of age group around 25. Both are in a positive mood. Mr. Arjun is an MBA graduate. On the way back home, he finds that the footpath is always crowded and the pedestrians are not able to walk properly. So when he thought about the problem that the pedestrians are facing, he finds that the width of the footpath is less and all those street sellers are occupying the footpath. And he just wanted to find a solution for this problem. In order to that, he along with two of his friends sat together and discussed the problem. So he and his friend went to the municipal concern authority and brought this problem into their concern. And he also suggested the solution for that as either they have to deepen the size of the footpath and also the street sellers, those are sitting on the sun like hot sun and selling their items, have to be given some kind of shelters so that those sellers are also provided facilities and the pedestrians in the footpath are also facilitated. Thank you.
Friends, as the picture shows, I have portrayed one main character whose age is 27 years and is in positive mood. Ramesh, who is the hero of my story, is a first-class gazetted officer under the Labour and Employment Ministry. He is recently been transferred to the city of Raipur and his duty was to do a survey and find out the demographic period of that place. When he reached there, he found out that many people were skillful in shoemaking, but they were not given enough opportunity to show out their skills to the outer world. So he shared his awareness and told about various government schemes such as Startup India and National Development schemes where they can enhance their skill. So soon the villagers started taking participation in all these schemes and they were successful in that area. So they thanked him and as the time progressed, he started doing the same service to the other society.
Friends, I perceive three characters in the picture. One male and two female. All are in a positive mood. Ramesh is the hero of my story. He is also the CEO of the company and he has recently inaugurated a school which provides free schooling for poor kids. One fine day, he was going along the streets and he realized that his shoes were torn. He went to a nearby cobbler and asked her to stitch his shoes. Suddenly, he also realized that her daughter was also involved in this job. He felt disappointed and also offered her an opportunity to educate her daughter and also gave her an opportunity to work in his company and also the people residing in the locality. In this way, he started employing other employers and also reached many people to employ other students who are in need and are not aware of these facilities. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture I saw two there is a sewage that is not properly cleaned. So she informed the authority, the concerned authority, to clean the sewage well and ensure a good surroundings there. And she made so many awareness programs to make people aware of the cleanliness of the surroundings, so that they can ensure a good health in them. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture there are two characters. As one character is male and the other character is female. Arvind is an 23 years old, as he has recently completed his degree, and his friend is now 22 years old. As they were holidays and then they decided and they planned for the trekking. And during the climbing the mountain, Arvind's friend, his leg was slipped down. Thus he got injured and he shouted. Thus the Arvind suddenly came down and took him to a place to rest. And thus he gave him the first aid. So before that, he removed the shoes and gave him the first aid and gave him water for drinking and took a rest for a few minutes. And thus he motivated that we will climb the mountain at any cost. So then successfully they climbed the mountain, and he kept on doing this good job in future also. Thank you.
Friends, I can pursue two characters in the picture. Both are male. So one character is about age 27 years and other of age 35 years. So they are in a positive mood. The hero of the story, the hero of my story is Anubhav. So he is a young and dynamic officer. He works as an urban development officer. So one day he was on the road and saw a cobbler working on a red hot sun and on a footpath. He thought that he was moved by the plight of the cobbler and also had a concern for the pedestrians walking on the footpath. So he convinced government officials to build commercial complexes all over the city and give those complexes to cobblers, mechanics, vegetable vendors and fruit vendors. So by this way, he kept his city traffic free and less congested. So he continued to do the same development in warehouse city, whichever city he was posted in. Thank you.
Friends, I perceive one male character in the movie. In this picture, he is of the age 35 years and he is an agriculture officer. He is in a neutral mood. Once he is on a round in his village where he was posted, so he sees that many of the farmers are not didn't went on the farm and selling other things like the rice and the other food yields that they get from their farm and doing the other sort of things like cleaning the road, and some ladies were stitching the shoes and some were cobblers. So he was very much worried about them, that why suddenly all the farmers have stopped going on the farm. So he asked from one of the farmers that what is the reason for that they have legal farming. So the farmer informed them that there is lack of nutrition in the soil. So he reports this matter to the IAS officer of his village, and with the help of the soil fertility experts, he found that there is lack of nutrition in the soil, due to which farming yields have been decreased a lot. So with the soil fertility expert, he asked him to brief the farmers about how they can increase the fertility of the soil by adding the natural fertilizers as well as the chemical fertilizers for getting the good yield of the good yields from the farm. So he starts a skill development program as well as a farming program in the village, so that the farmer get preaching about the good yields of the farm, as well as they get the knowledge about how the nutrition of the soil can be increased. After this skill development program in the village, there has been a flourishment of the farming yields, and they were enhanced in their skills also. So this brought a drastic change in the development of the village. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. In this picture, I perceive two characters. Both are male and in positive mood.
One, age of 15 years old, a boy, child, and another, adult of 29 years old. His name is Modi. He is newly elected SP in that city. So, as a newly appointed police officer, he looked around trip in that city to look around what is happening on the city. So, he found that most of the child in that city are engaged in child labors. They are working in industry side. Many work in the side roadside shops. Many are selling flowers and polishing shoes in the traffic lights. So he, in one of them, so he put out a child and asked why he is not going to school. Then he took him to his parents and consulted his parents what is the problem and say his parents to send him to government school, etc. He also took all the safety measures and awareness among the city. He sent the letters to the industries to not appoint the childs, as well as he himself go to the self to the shops and said not to appoint a child laborers. Otherwise, he could take a huge action on them. Thank you.
Friends, from this picture, I perceive two characters. Both are male and they are the positive mood. My main character is Ricky, who is a male of age 37 years old. He is an IAS officer and he is visiting his village after 20 years of service. One evening, when he was going out for a stroll, he sees many farmers engaged in non-agricultural activities such as shoemaking, pottery, etc. On inquiring, he finds out that the agricultural produce in the village had decreased a lot, and hence the farmers had engaged in non-agricultural activities. He gathered all the farmers and told them the various ways as they could increase the agricultural produce and also the loans given to farmers in case of need. He also mentioned to them that in case they wanted to start a new company or a startup for the various activities like shoemaking, they could avail the various loans and government policies by the government. The villagers took his advice seriously and the village flourished. Thank you.
Friends, I can see three characters in this picture, two males and one female. In my story, the main character is Arjun. He is of age 40 years and he is a poor farmer in his village. One day when he come back home, his son get viral fever. There is no hospital in his village. Then he lifted his son and goes for about 5 kilometers and admitted him in the hospital. Then his son, by this way, his son cured. He saved his son from viral fever. Then he motivates his villagers by requesting and said to build a hospital in his village by requesting the government. Government accept his request and build a hospital in every village. Thank you.
Okay, just take first photo from this side.
how we can